Hello everyone and welcome to another video review from 3dgamingman.com. I'm Rodney Reynolds and today I'm having a look at a new product from Corsair. It is their K65 RGB RAPIDFIRE mechanical gaming keyboard. This thing is compact, it comes with a wrist rest, multicolor, and it has new Cherry MX switches which are super quick. Now, unless you're an accountant or maybe a physicist, this will definitely not bother you. They've omitted the number pad, which of course means it's going to be more compact and thus easier to transport. And probably the biggest plus is you'll get the mouse and keyboard closer together. That means, I think, a better gaming experience overall. They do include a great wrist rest here. It's rubberized, and to install it, you just push it on like so from the front. They also include extra keycaps and a keycap puller. Just take the keycap off like so, and then you can just pop the other ones on. Now this keyboard is fully programmable. You can assign macros to any key, plus very sturdy because it has this rigid brushed aluminum platform. And have a peek, the overall look, styling, and build quality is just exceptional. As well, it has 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover and 10 keyless design for additional space and mouse movement. And look at this at the back. You've got a USB pass-through, BIOS mode, and polling rate selector. Now, if that's not enough, it has all kinds of lighting options. It is multicolor, but probably one of the most important things that gamers will definitely appreciate are the ultra-fast new Cherry MX switches. Okay, so what makes these switches quicker? Well, it has to do with the switch actuation. The travel distance is less, 1.2 millimeters instead of the average switch actuation, which is around 2 millimeters. The less distance to travel, of course, means that it's going to engage much faster. Now you've pretty much got your standard keyboard layout, of course, minus the number pad, Windows key, function key. You've got your multimedia keys. You can lock the Windows key if you want to. You've got an LED switch and, caps lock. You've got their logo in the middle. A nice braided cable with two very large USB connectors on the end. If I flip the keyboard over, you will see 4 rubber feet, and you can tilt the keyboard as well. Now have a listen to the keys. Okay, so let's quickly have a look at the software. First, within profiles, you can create new or import or export them. Here you've got assignments, lighting, and performance. Assignments just shows you the key assignments. Lighting, well, you can choose from 16.8 million colors. You can choose any individual color you want. And as well, there are a number of effects. This is Spiral Rainbow. You've got Rainbow Wave, Visor, Rain, Color Shift, Color Pulse, Color Wave, per key lighting. So if you tap on a key or keys, they will light up. There's also key ripple effects. So if you tap on a key or a number of keys, it'll just send this ripple throughout the keyboard. Also within advanced settings, you can individually change the color of each key. And within performance, if you have the lock on, you can disable, for example, Alt-Tab or Windows key. Within actions, you can create macros, and let's just go in here, create new. So you've got macro options here: text, keystroke, shortcuts, DPI, timer, mouse, and media control. Within lighting, you can set up a number of different lighting effects, and within setting, you can view the device itself, the program, as well as bring up support options. Now there are certainly many mechanical keyboards that are on the market that are compact, plus have multicolor lighting and palm rests. But really where this one sets itself apart from the rest is the new Cherry MX switches, which are super quick. And I believe a lot of gamers will definitely be impressed with that. I think the overall look, styling, and build quality is top notch, and the feature list is quite good. It is rather expensive, but you really get what you pay for. This is, without a doubt, a 100% kick-ass product. Until next time, take care.
Well, that's it, but I hope you enjoyed the review, and if you think this and other videos that I produce are great, please like them, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, your comments are very welcome, and if you have any questions, let me know.